What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Automation for the Now. I'm Wes Allen, the marketing manager here at RōBEX, ready to show you guys another cool application using robotic automation to improve our customers' production processes. Let's get started. Thanks for watching. Before you go, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Please follow us on social media. If you have any other questions, email us at automation@robex.us. Thanks.